The Rolls-Royce Spectre has already made waves as the British automaker's first-ever all-electric Grand Tourer. With its combination of cutting-edge technology and ultra-luxury craftsmanship, the Spectre is a symbol of automotive opulence. However, this latest version, customized by Platinum Motorsport Group and Limited Spec Automotive, takes the Spectre to a whole new level of exclusivity and refinement with a full Mansory treatment, adding unique, bold touches that are bound to turn heads on both coasts of the United States. The standard Rolls-Royce Spectre is a marvel of design, powered by two BMW eDrive SSMs that generate a combined output of 577 horsepower. Using the Rolls-Royce Architecture of Luxury platform, the Spectre blends the quiet sophistication of electric power with the brand's timeless luxury features. Usually, the Spectre is seen in muted tones of black or white, with a design meant to appeal to those who prefer understated elegance. However, this new custom-built version has broken the mold with a stunning array of upgrades from the German tuning specialist Mansory. Platinum Motorsport Group and Limited Spec Automotive have worked together to create an electric vehicle that stands out with an aggressive, yet refined, aesthetic. The Mansory aerodynamic kit is the first major modification, giving the Spectre a more dynamic and sporty profile. This kit includes new front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and custom fender flares designed to improve both the vehicle's aerodynamics and its overall stance on the road. But the most eye-catching change comes in the form of the forged carbon fiber components that Mansory has added throughout the car. The exterior of the Spectre now features multiple carbon fiber accents, which not only provide a performance-oriented visual appeal but also reduce the vehicle's weight, enhancing its electric range and handling. These carbon fiber elements are seamlessly integrated into the design, with a distinctive light blue hue that adds a touch of elegance to the otherwise stark and sporty appearance. The front grille is another highlight, as it now sports half of its interior slats in forged carbon fiber, accompanied by a custom hand-painted pinstripe. This pinstripe features a special Mansory logo with thunderbolt detailing, giving the vehicle an added level of personalization. The attention to detail in these custom touches ensures that the Spectre stands out as a true one-of-a-kind creation, reflecting the buyer's desire for exclusivity. The wheels are no less spectacular. The Spectre now rides on a set of 24-inch Mansory monoblock forged FD15 wheels, which are finished in black to match the carbon fiber elements. The wheels are further accentuated with light blue detailing that ties the overall design together, bridging the exterior and the custom interior in a cohesive, visually striking manner. Inside the cabin, the custom touches continue. The interior features bespoke light blue accents that complement the exterior's color scheme. These custom touches are evident throughout the upholstery and trim, ensuring the Spectre offers a harmonious experience of both luxury and sportiness. The attention to detail is clear, with each element carefully chosen to elevate the luxury feel of this electric Grand Tourer. While the Mansory treatment may not be for everyone, its bold and extreme styling certainly makes a statement. The combination of forged carbon fiber, light blue accents, and sporty design elements transforms the Rolls-Royce Spectre into a vehicle that is both luxurious and full of attitude. If you are looking for something more than the traditional Rolls-Royce luxury, this bespoke version offers a striking new alternative. For those not quite sold on this specific look, Limited Spec Automotive offers a range of other high-end luxury options. These include the refreshed 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, which can be customized with various unique color combinations and Mansory upgrades, as well as a selection of other exotic cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo S, Lamborghini Huracans, Mercedes-AMG G63, and the new Lamborghini Revuelto, all ready to join the dream garage of any automotive enthusiast.